How to apply for Wells Fargo Credit Card. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and head over to wellsfargo.com. Now on the left hand side, you want to log into your account by entering all the details including your username, password. Then after that, you want to click on the sign on option. If you are new to this, you can click on the enroll option. Then follow the on-screen instructions to create a new account. Once your account has been created, you want to click on the option of credit card, then click on view all credit cards option. Then you're going to find different cards over here. You can simply scroll down and compare the features, benefits and fees associated with each card to find out the one that suits your needs. Once you have identified the credit card that you want to click on the option of apply now. Once you click on this option, you will have to now fill up this form. Here, you will have to enter your personal details such as your first name, last name, social security number, and date of birth. Then you will have to enter the contact information such as your home address, city, state, zip code, citizenship, mobile number, and email address. After that, you will have to enter the security information such as your mother's maiden name. Then you will have to enter the financial information about your housing status, employment status, and your total annual income. After that, you want to go through the terms and conditions. Once you have gone through with it, you want to check the box that says I authorize the Social Security Administration to verify and disclose to Wells Fargo Bank. Then you want to click on the option that says I have read and agree to the certifications. After that, you want to click on the submit button. After submitting your application, you will need to wait for the bank to review and process it. This might take typically a few business days. You may receive an instant decision in some cases. If your application is approved, you will receive your new credit card by mail within a few weeks. Activate the card as soon as you receive it by following the instructions provided. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.